Does your hip arthritis wake you up at night, especially when you're lying on your side? And even if you're not lying on your side, no matter what position you're lying in, does it seem like the hip arthritis flares up at nighttime and you can't get restful sleep? If this sounds like you, today I'm going to give you some actionable tips and strategies on how to get some restful sleep tonight. I'm Dr. Preston, and I'm the Arthritis PT, here to help you today with your issue with dealing with your hip arthritis, especially when you're lying on your side. And one thing I want to explain, and I see a lot of patients with hip arthritis and hip pain in my practice, and typically one of the things that creates the pain is how you're positioned and the joint is positioned and what's going on inside the joint while you're sleeping. So what exactly is happening? The joints are not moving as much, so stillness happens, especially when you're sleeping. And if you're sleeping on your side, gravity can pull the leg in a different position, which can create that hip pain that you're feeling. So if you're lying on your side, the top leg can be pulled in a direction that gives more strain on the joint, which in turn creates a less comfortable positioning for sleeping. And when you're lying on your side, the joint compresses, and that pressure on the joint, if muscles aren't necessarily supporting the leg, that compression inside the joint can also create some of that tension and pressure, which you will feel when you're sleeping, which in turn doesn't allow you to get that restful, comfortable sleep. So I'm going to show you exactly what to do about creating support for your leg and while you're lying on your side to help the hip. And then also too, I'll show you how to position yourself if you like to lie on your back and you're dealing with hip arthritis or hip pain. So the first thing you want to do is you want to change the support. You want to position yourself so you're in a neutral position for the leg or the hip. When you're lying on your side, you want to prevent, if you can, that leg pulling forward. So putting a pillow between the knees will help align the hip in a better position, but also will help support the weight of your leg, which then it would be harder for gravity to pull your leg more forward in that ill position, which compresses the joint and also sometimes can turn the hip joint inward, which also puts a lot more pressure and strain inside of the joint itself. When you're lying with the pillow and your hips are in a good alignment or stacked, that's great. But if it's not necessarily comfortable for you and you're used to that leg kind of pulling forward, what you can do, we can slightly bring that leg forward with the pillow, and then we can still support it with the pillow in a neutral alignment still, but it's just a little more forward than stacked directly over each other. Now, if you're a back sleeper, this next section, I'm going to show you how to align your hips and especially the legs with using a pillow. So what you're going to do, lie down on your back. You're going to bring a pillow underneath your knees, keeping the knees slightly bent. That's a better alignment for your pelvis. And then what you want to do, if you don't have a rolled pillow that you can get enough support with, maybe grab an extra pillow, and then if you can, try to roll it just a little bit, so then that gives it a little more support. And it's a little more neutral for your knee. Now, if you're dealing with knee issues, rolling a pillow under your knee sometimes may feel better, but sometimes it might not be as good for the joint. So make sure your situation you kind of take into consideration. But the main goal is to get restful sleep at night. So whatever we have to do to help the hip alleviate that pressure and also allow you to get restful sleep at night is the objective. One of the things I like to teach to my patients is a pre-sleep routine. So one of the things that we want to do is think about how our body is resting and where the hip joint is. The bigger muscles that surround the hip joints are the glutes, so the butt muscles. Those muscles connect also to the upper part of your back, or above the hip itself, and then they also connect to the start of your leg. So the butt muscles are what we want to make sure that we're trying to get to relax when you're lying on your side or your back. So the exercise I'm going to show you is a glute set. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to lie on your back, what's comfortable. If it's not comfortable on your back, you can do them sitting as well. But all you're going to do is squeeze the butt muscles together. So you're squeezing, you're holding for a 3 count. 1, 2, 3, nice and easy, and then relax. And then you're going to squeeze, hold, 1, 2, 3, and then relax. And then again, squeeze, 1, 2, 3, and relax. And so on and so forth. So you will do these repetitions. You can do up to 10 repetitions. A couple of these you can do at nighttime, especially if you're having a lot of difficulty. But once a night, trying to get the muscles to relax is a good way to do it. Just remember to breathe and not hold your breath while you're doing it. So remember, pain at night doesn't necessarily mean that the hip arthritis is rapidly progressing. It typically is that the joints are still, and then also the positioning of the joint. So we want to make sure we're supporting the joint in a good way, keeping it in a good alignment, and also a little bit of that activation. So using the glute sets or the squeezes to just kind of activate the muscles to help them relax. And then if you're having difficulty with your knee or you're having trouble with that, check this other video out that I made. This is a good video that regards the knee in itself, with helping with arthritis and dealing with managing arthritis pain in the knee. And then two, I want to make sure if you have any questions regarding your sleep, or if you're dealing with a different type of problem, please let me know in the comments, because I will make a video specifically for your issue if you're having difficulty in a different area of the body when you're sleeping. And I want you to have a great rest of your day and have a healthy sleep tonight. Take care now. Bye-bye.